Alright people, what is going on? Today we are back on a video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. Been really busy with work, but today it's a Sunday and we're up to something sick. So there's a BMW meet, not too far, it's about 20 minutes. The car's all ready, the car's all clean. Got the new tyres on with the new fitment, and yeah, we're about to head over there now. I thought I'd just do a little intro. I've not really done an intro before, but yeah, we'll do a little intro now. And if you guys are not following the Instagram, make sure you are. It is right there. And let me know what the quality's like. This is my first like daytime video, so I'm giving it a go. Yeah, I'm gonna connect the mic in a second to the back, and then we're gonna get going. I'm just waiting for the mic to charge at the moment. But yeah, we're just in the Midlands somewhere right now. We're heading over to the British Motor Museum for the ultimate BMW meet, and you're gonna see a bunch of BMWs. I might even vlog with the GoPro a little bit. I'm gonna charge it in a sec when we get there, because it's not at 30%. But yeah, we're about to go at it, and yeah, let's go. Just whilst we're in a bit of traffic at the moment, I just want to say a big thank you for all the support on like the first 3 videos that I posted. The first one went crazy. You guys honestly smashed it. Like 61k views, and I got a lot of good feedback on that one. So I'm just trying to keep up at the moment. And I want to ideally post like 2 or 3 times a week. It's just a bit hard finding time and coming up with new ideas, because I'll be honest, London is pretty boring. Morning, bro. You're right now. Just a normal display ticket, bro.
Probably 3. Follow it round there.
All right, sweet, bro.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I got a 140 coming.
Where you going to go at the end?
Say again, sorry.
Follow the car, not the van.
All right, mate. Cheers. Yeah, today there's a lot of M's here. Got an F80 here, F80 behind me. I don't know if you guys can see that because I'm still on wide view, but there's like a Smoke Topaz F80 behind me, a nice E30 coming through right now. Don't know if you guys can see that in the mirror. But yeah, we're at the British Motor Museum. Just a fat queue to get in, but I'm excited. Trying to find a parking spot, but I've just seen this. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is beautiful. Wagon as well. That is crazy. I've not seen an M140i yet, and I'm a bit worried that I'm a bit out of place.
You're the only one here.
I think it's time to sell. Yo, one of one spec. M140i.
Wait, there might be 140 over there. Let's see that.
Oh yeah, there is one there.
So we interrogate him.
We need to dominate him. Well, not dominate him. No, pause. We need to assert dominance. Assert dominance.
Assert dominance.
That was it. It's too early, man. Oh my god. Okay, pause.
Oh. I feel like you can just put these though.
I want to be special though. Like,
You're special.
I am special, yeah.